Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see a little bit lengthy problem related to profit and loss account in banking account. Very easy problem. Only the thing is you have to understand carefully. By the way, did you check out the playlist? There are many subjects which already covered as per your syllabus. If we have the same playlist, please use it and don't forget to share these videos. Now, this problem is taken from the Pankaj publication. Third problem, essay problem. Problem is given on the desktop. You can note down or take a screenshot. Now, let me explain this problem. Then after that, we'll work out. So, what is given to us? From the following particulars relating to Sridhar Bank Limited, prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2004 according to the prescribed form. Profit and loss account they are asking. 3 zeros always we have to omit. Now what is given to us? First one is interest and discount. Interest and discount. This is interest earned. Interest paid is interest on deposits you will find. Interest on deposits. Now this is interest and discount. Bank is earning. So this comes under the schedule number 13. So that is interest earned. Schedule number 13. Next, interest on balances with RBI. This is also interest earned. 500. This is also schedule number 13. Like you have to identify each and every item. Is it a schedule number 13, 14? 13 means interest earned. 14 means other income. 15 means it is related to the interest expanded. And 16 means operating expenses. Like you have to identify. Only 4 schedules are there. Very easy, right? Now next one is payment to the provision for employees. This is schedule number 16. Payment provisions employee. Anything is paid related to the employees. This is operating expenses. Okay, 16. Schedule number 16. Advertising and publicity is also 16. Then loss on sale of land and building. So this we can see with the another transaction just to beside it is given. This profit just beside line. Profit on sale of land and building. So already there is a profit by selling land and building 200. Now here it is loss of 2 rupees only. We can adjust it 200 minus 2 rupees. This 198. 200 minus 2 it comes to 198. 198 we can take it into the schedule number 14. Other income. Next one. Profit on exchange of profit on exchange transactions. So this is schedule number 14, other income. This is also profit. Next, director's fee, allowances and expenses. Schedule number 16 because it's operating expenses. Interest on deposits. Interest on deposits. This is interest expanded. Means bank is paying on this deposits. Schedule number 15, interest expanded. Then auditor fee and expenses, operating expenses, schedule number 16. Depreciation on bank's property. This is also schedule number 16. It is just like indirect expenses. All indirect expenses comes under the operating expenses. So depreciation is also operating expenses, schedule number 16. Next, profit on sale of investment. Here profit on sale of investment 600 it is given. Just below that, loss on sale of investment. One side profit we are getting, one side loss we are getting. We can adjust it same like previous one. So profit is 600, loss is 50. 600 minus 50, 550. Ultimately profit is 550. This loss is adjusted. Okay. So profit comes under the schedule number 14. Schedule number 14 is other income. Next, income from investment. Income from investment is here interest earned. Schedule number 13. Always remember. Commission, exchange and brokerage. This is also income, but it comes under the other income. Schedule number 14. Rent, taxes, lighting, printing, stationery. These two are operating expenses. Schedule number 16. Next, profit on, just now we have seen profit on sale of land and building. Next, interest on RBI and interbank borrowings. They are borrowing. The borrowing means it comes under the schedule number 15. Schedule number 15 means interest expanded. RBI, they are paying it. So schedule number 15. Law charges, insurance, these two are operating expenses, schedule number 16. And miscellaneous income, schedule number 14, other income. Only interest income is schedule number 13. Any income, schedule number 14, other income. Next, postage, telegram and telephones, this is schedule number 16, operating expenses. Next one, balance of profit for the year ended 31st March 2003 brought forward. This comes end of the format. Do you know two profits will write? One is net profit, second one is this profit. This is last year's profit brought forward to this year. End of the problem will write two profits. One is net profit and second one is this one. Okay. Now coming to the adjustments. Make a provision of 8 lakh rupees for taxation and 70,000 rupees for doubtful debts. This comes under the provisions and other things are there, no? So it is there in provisions and contingencies. Point number 2. When we write schedule number 14 and 15, after that immediately you will write. So there it comes both. So 8 lakh and 70,000 doubtful debts. These are provisions. Okay. And rebate on bills discounted amounted 30,000. Rebate on bills discounted. Actually interest and discount is how much? First item it is given 6,500. On that rebate and bills discounted is there. How much it is? 30 only. Last 3 zeros we have to omit. 30 is rebate we are giving. Actually we received 6,500. But when we are giving 30 rupees rebate, this is coming down. 6,500 minus 30. Okay. So you get 6,470. That is we are going to take because of this adjustment. This 30,000 adjustment is related to the first transaction. Put a tick mark adjustment, just like final accounts. Able to remember? So I have explained everything. If you understand, pause the video and try to work out by yourself. Format you know, explain each and every transaction. Otherwise, look at the board, I'll work out. Okay. Now, format already I have drawn. Profit and loss account of Sridhar Book Bank Limited for the year ended 31st March 2004. 000 omitted. Always you have to write. Now, each and every item. Format is written simple. Income, expenditure, profit and loss account, and here appropriations. Income, we have two transactions, interest earned and other income. So interest earned is schedule number 13, 14. And expenditure, we have three transactions. One is interest expanded, operating expenses. Interest expanded is schedule number 15, operating expenses schedule number 16. Provision and contingencies, it doesn't come under any schedule. Okay. Next, profit and loss account, two profits will write. One is net profit and other profit which is brought forward. We'll see the appropriations later. Okay. Now already I have prepared schedule number 13, 14, 15, 16. Whatever comes as I explained will be posting over there. Okay. First one. Interest and discount. This is schedule number 13. But there is an adjustment. What is that? And it is given rebate 30,000. That we have to deduct it. Schedule number 13. So I'll write here interest and discount. Interest and discount. How much it is? 6,500 minus rebate of how much? Not 30,000. Last 3 zeros omitted. So 30. It comes to 6,470. Okay. Next, interest on balances with RBI. This is also interest earned. Interest on balances with RBI. How much it is? 500. Next, payments to and provisions for employees. This is operating expenses. We'll write here payments to and provision for employees. Anything is related to the employees if the company is spending, that is expenses, operating expenses. So 3,500. Next one, advertising and publicity. This is also operating expenses. Advertising and publicity. Advertising and publicity. How much it is? 13. Next, loss on sale of land and building. There is already profit on sale of land and building just beside line. Both we are adjusting. So we can show it in working notes here. Calculation of profit or loss on, this is first point, loss on sale of land and building. Sale of land and building. So one is we got profit of 200 minus, you can say it as a profit also, profit 200 minus loss is 2 rupees, comes to 198. 198 is here profit. Profit means other income. Schedule number 14. Profit on sale of land and building. How much we got? 198. Next, profit on exchange transactions. So this is also schedule number 14. Income, other income, profit we got. Profit on exchange transactions. Transactions. This is how much? 15. Next, director's fee and allowances, operating expenses, director's fee and allowances. This 16. Next, interest on deposit. Interest on deposit. Bank is paying on this deposit. So schedule number 15. Interest expanded. So interest on deposit. This is 1500. Next, auditor fee, operating expenses. Easy to identify operating expenses. Auditor fee and expenses. How much it is? 40. Next, depreciation on bank's property. This is also operating. Depreciation on bank's property. 20. Profit on sale of investment. Here also we have two transactions. One is profit on sale of investment, another one is loss on sale of investment. Like same like this, you can show it in working notes. Calculation of profit or loss on sale of investment. Profit is 600. Loss is here minus loss 50. So how much you got? 550. 550 is here profit. Profit means we'll write it in the other income. Profit on sale of investment. Sale of investment. 550. Next, income from investment. Income from investment. This is interest only. Okay, so schedule number 13. Income from investment. $300. Next, commission, exchange and brokerage, other income it is. So it is here commission, Commission, exchange and brokerage. It is 400. Next, rent, taxes and lighting operating expenses. Rent, taxes and lighting. How much it is? 100. Printing and stationery. Once again it comes here 12. Printing and stationery. Next, after that, profit on sale of land we have done already. Okay. Next, interest on RBI. Interest on RBI, interbank borrowings. We are borrowing, so it is to be paid. Interest to be paid. So schedule number 15 it comes. So interest on RBI and borrowings. Now I'm writing in short form. Borrowings 10. Next, law charges insurance. Come to operating expenses. Law charges insurance. Law charges are 2. Insurance is 4. Insurance 4. Miscellaneous income, other income. It is miscellaneous income is 10. Then postage and telegram, once again operating expenses. Postage and telegram and telephone, etc. 6. Balance of profit for the year ended. This is balance forwarded profit. So how much it is? 500. We'll write here 500. Net profit we are going to find out. And anything else? Make provisions of 8 lakh for taxation and 70,000 for doubtful debts. This is provisions. So this also we can show it in working notes. Provisions and contingencies under that. Provisions and contingencies. Here we have 2 items. One is provision for taxation 8 lakh. Provision for taxation 8 lakh means last 3 zeros omitted. It is 800. In the same way, doubtful debts, provision for doubtful debts. Doubtful debts are 70,000 means only 70. This is 870. 870 will write here. Are you getting it? Provisions and contingencies related transactions are given in the adjustment. Adjustment after the information. Doesn't matter. Both we have added and showing over the provisions and contingencies. Okay. Next, rebate on bills and discounted, that already we have deducted here. If you want, you can show it in working notes also. Once again, interest minus discount, interest and discount 6,500. You can show it here like this. Interest and discount 6,500 minus rebate. Rebate is 30. 6,470. You can show it like this also. So total working notes we have 4 transactions and schedules we have prepared. Now schedules, all the schedules will total it. Once if you total it, everything is very easy. 6470 plus 800. It comes to 7270. 7270 will write here. Second one 1170. 198, 15, 550 and 410. It comes to 1173. Schedule number 14. So we'll write here 1173. 1173. And here 1510. 1510. Now coming to operating expenses, so I need to calculate small numbers. Plus 13 and 29, 29, 60, 160, 12, 12, 14, 14, 24. 3713. 3713. Over. Okay. Now we'll total this one. Total income is how much? 7270 plus 1173 comes to 8443. This is total income. Okay. Now total expenditure is 1510 plus 3713 plus 870 comes 6093. Now net profit. How do you get net profit? Income minus expenditure. Income is here 8443 minus 6093. 2350. 2350. So total, it is profit and loss of total is here 2850. Okay. Now out of this net profit, this profit, 25% is to be transferred to the statutory reserve. So 2350, please remember, don't touch this one. This is last year's. This year profit only 25% we are forwarding to the statutory reserve. So 2350 into 25%. 587.50. 587.50. 25% of this. Okay. Now same amount we'll write here 2850 minus 2850. 2850 minus 587.50. It comes to 2262.50 is the balancing figure forwarding to the balance sheet. Am I clear? Problem is very simple. First take screenshot, then I'll explain it once again. If you understand this problem, any problem you can work out, profit and loss account. Simple, each and every item you have to identify what it is. We have only 4 schedules compared to balance sheet. Balance sheet we had 12 schedules, but here only 4 schedules. Interest, this one. Interest earned, other income, interest expanded, operating expenses, only 4. So these headings you keep and each and every item identify. Here one more twist is that profit on land and building, loss on land and building, like we had two transactions. That you have to be careful. Adjust it. Read the problem totally. Whenever you find any adjustment, put a tick mark. It is related to that. In the same way, even adjustment also, rebate is there. Rebate is related to the discount. First transaction. So there you have to keep a mark that adjustment is there. So we can do the adjustment without any ignorance, without forgetting that adjustment, we will do it. So that is why we have to do. And always in working notes, you have to underline it carefully. 4 working notes we had. Clear? One more problem will work out. Then after that, we'll go to the balance sheet, Form A. So stay connected and practice well. See you in the next class with more twists of income, profit and loss account. Okay, stay connected. Good luck.